Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your Crunchyroll account's password using just the mobile application quick and easy. Let's jump right into it. First of all, open up the Crunchyroll app on your mobile device. From the home page after logging in, tap on the account button at the bottom right-hand corner. Inside the account field, scroll down and look for the password option and tap on it. On the next page, write down your email address associated with your Crunchyroll account. Once typing down your email, click on Send. You will now need to check your email inbox and a password reset link will be sent to you. Simply open up your email inbox and open up the email from Crunchyroll. Now click on this Click Here link to reset your password. Select a web browser and this will take you to the password change section. Type down the new password you want to change to in the first field. Now, re-enter the new password once again in the next one. Once both passwords matches, click on Reset Password. Now you have successfully changed your Crunchyroll password. Go back to the app and this will take you to the login section. Write down your email address and the new password once again and finally tap on Login and boom! Your Crunchyroll password is now successfully changed and you can now sign in using the new password. And that's it. Super easy, right? If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon for more quick guides just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.